my hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best mining website. So link in the description, click on it. First of all, enter your username, this is the mobile number, enter your create password, confirm what the invite code and click on register. So wait, let me register. After signing into a website, here you can see this type of an interface from the company. Inviting friend rewards, company profile, promotion reward, and this. And click on this. This is the company profile. New egg the year of 2008 friends, and you can read it carefully. This is the promotion reward. Here you can see the promotion reward of the company. Introduction, the agent, and you can read it. And this is the invite section. Here you can see share code, share with friends to earn commission, and copy this link, invite code, refer and earn. If one of your friend or family register with the link, you will earn some reward. So start sharing today and earning today. Share with your friends or family and earn this. Share with your friends or family and earn this. So copy this link and this the best website. These are the VIP events. Here you can see the VIP events of the company. Newcomer first recharge bonus, inviting rewards, 8% rewards, new veg, and this. This is the financial. Here you can see the financial amount, yesterday income transfer, and here you can see this is the deposit term, 1 daily interest, and you can read it carefully. So here you can see VIP business hall, VIP 1 2 3. I already make a video on this, so here you can see the user commission notification, and this is the order grabbing section. Here you can see the grabbing section, and this is the online section. Here you can see the customer service, if you have any online customer, telegram, and this is the mine section. Here you can see the mine, total funds when and this and this. Here you can see fund details, team rewards, deposit and commission, level 1 and level 2, team size 1. This is the contract record, friends invitation, and you can download app. I will tell you how to recharge. First of all, I click on recharge. Here you see the different types of this. I click on 100. Okay, click on confirm, and this. Wait, I copy this. Okay. Here you can see this. So after copy, here enter 100 amount, I go to wallet. I open this, I click on USDT, I click on send. Here I fill the address, and next here I enter 100, and here you can convert and send. So wait, let me go back to website. After coming back to a website, here you can see you can upload the screenshot of the transaction. So this is the best part of that, you can upload a screenshot of payment. So this is the rules and regulation, the amount of USDT every top up, and you can read. So here you can see my balance is updated and fund balance is this. So I will tell you how to grab now. I enter this and open this VIP 1. This is the funding details. Here you can see the funding details of the company, and this is the friends and help guide. You can personal info, and this help guide if you have any query related to this. Now you can see my total income. Now I go to my total income orders. Now I click on platform VIP 1. I click on this. So here you can see today order 0 commission. Now I start grabbing this. So wait, click on submit. Here you can see today's active order this. So you can see this. I click on submit. I click on submit. So here you can see this. Click on submit. So here you can see today order 3 completed, 0 point no commission. I again click on this. Click on submit. I click on grab. submit. Again grab, you can see total 5 orders, commission is generated. Click on submit. I click on grab, click on submit, click on grab, click on submit, click on grab. Here you can see today orders is this. I click on submit. 9 order and today's commission is generated. I again click on this. Click on submit. Again click on this. You do 45 orders daily, okay? After that you will get awesome result. I click on this. So here you can see my 31 orders completed. Today income generated. I click on grabbing, clicking on grabbing. So wait for the wait. Total 45 orders we completed. So wait. Click on it. 32. This. So wait. Submit. Grab. Submit. Grab. Submit. Grab. Submit. Again I grabbing. You can see this 36 is completed. Again 37. I again click on grabbing 37. Submit. You can see 38. Grabbing. Submit. 40. Again 40. Submit. Here you can see 40 orders, only 5 are left. Only 5 are left. I click on submit. I again grab this. Submit. Again this. Submit. Again this. Submit. Day 44. Again do this. Click on submit. This is today's order and commission generated 2.974. Again I enter this. Here you can see user order exited. So now I go back to website. Here you can show you the Ubuntu Viven, and here you can see balance is this. Now I click on withdraw. Okay, enter the withdrawal amount. Okay, enter this and I click on confirm. 6 handling finger. So I click on withdrawal. Here you can see this. This is unconfirmed, so wait. Click on this, it's success. Now I will show you the proof. So here you can see USDT. I will receive deposit 5. Here you can see 5 deposit is completed. Now I go back to website back. So I explain all in details. Here you can see available balance, online, order and home. That's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.